Hello and welcome to Creating and Teaching Online and Hybrid Courses for CSU Instructors. We invite graduate students who are teaching to join the course as well. I'd like to give you a quick video tour of the course to help orient you to the way it's designed. The course is designed to be an a la carte experience for you. It's packed full of resources that you can pick and choose from and come back to at any time that you feel a particular area of learning is needed. Starting over here on the left navigation panel, we have an announcements section. We may send out announcements if we add new content or find an error that we have to fix. We'll let you know that that's been corrected. We have a welcome and overview page. And then if you click this link for course facilitators, you'll find information about Alexis Wolstein and myself. We are available to meet with you virtually, and here is our contact information. So don't hesitate to reach out anytime you have questions or would like follow-up resources. The Introduce You link invites you to do something that's different than the typical discussion board introduction. We're using a tool called Flipgrid, and Flipgrid allows you to create video introductions all collected in one resource together on this website called Flipgrid. So please do click this link, follow the directions here. If you're new to Flipgrid, here's a little tutorial that was created by the fabulous Alegria Rubendera. She is a CSU faculty member who uses Flipgrid extensively, and she created a help tutorial to get you started if you're not sure how to create your video reply. It's a very easy tool to use. You basically click the green plus sign button and begin recording your video. You can also reply to other folks' introduction with the video yourself. In the course modules section, you'll find 3 modules. And inside each module, there are different ways to engage with the content. There is a transcript that is all the text that is found also in the interactive lecture. So please do use either method that you like. If you prefer to learn by video or you'd like to see an example of an interactive lecture, please do click this link. Otherwise, you have the video transcript as a resource. If there's extra planning resources or extra tools that accompany the learning in that module, you'll find them here. So just scroll down and do have a review of everything that's here to see if there's something that catches your eye. There's also a tool called Live Binder embedded in this course. It's here in this module, and it's also linked on the sidebar. Live Binder is a content curation tool. You can do tons of fabulous stuff with it. We've used it like a virtual binder. You'll see tabs across the top. The transcript modules are here, and then we've provided resources like strategy banks, EdTech tool banks, planning sheets and checklists, and information about the Community of Inquiry framework. There's handouts for that you can download. We've got thinking maps, which are graphic organizers that you can use with your students. And then we have a bibliography so that you can follow up and find more resources in areas of interest to you. This is the table of contents, and it's mirrored in the tabs above. The Live Binder won't ever go away. It's an open educational resource for this course. If you'd like more help with using Blackboard itself, you'll want to enroll in the self-paced training course. We do have training webinars coming up, but you may wish to get started now by going through the self-paced course, or just enrolling in to maybe take your learning to a higher level. There might be features in Blackboard that you're not aware of yet that you could learn about in here. So that links you out to enroll in that course. If you have questions at any point, Alexis and I will moderate the discussion board. So you can post those questions here. If you have questions specific to content in a particular module, please post them in that module. General questions can be posted here. We invite you to provide feedback to us by clicking this link and submitting this Google form. This Google form is also embedded in each module at the very end. We'll use your feedback to follow up with you if you'd like some personal training sessions or would like us to send you more resources in a certain area. We'll also use your feedback to improve future iterations of this course. We love constructive criticism. We want to keep learning and improving, and we want to serve your needs. So please do send feedback to us. It's anonymous unless you'd like to include your name. And then down below in this next section, these are common tools that are on every Blackboard template. So I just left them here so that you could see what your students see in a Blackboard template in case you're unfamiliar with that. So they'll have a link to the library. Now, in your course, they'll be linked out to a LibGuide that is particular to your discipline. So this takes them to resources that is specific to the discipline in the course that this link is housed in. There's research guides, tutoring service information, and information about the online writing lab. Again, please don't hesitate to reach out and post questions in the discussion board. Whenever something looks confusing, you'd like clarification, or you'd like follow-up training and professional development. Thank you so much for enrolling in our course. We worked really hard to provide resources and professional learning opportunities in areas that we believe will strengthen your course for fall and strengthen any online course. A lot of these strategies apply to face-to-face settings as well. We are excited that you're here, and we can't wait to interact with you in the Flipgrid and the discussion board.